may there be more magic here at the Enchanted Kingdom. Alright, and also I would like to thank my very special guests tonight, of course, Queen Mia. Palakpakan natin, Queen Mia. And of course, the very talented and very amazing 5th Gen. Guys, supportahan natin sila. Let's all support them. Let's all support new artists. Lalong-lalo na pag Pinoy. Okay? Pwede naman tayo sumuporta sa dayuhan. Of course, we can support sina pa ba? Sina Lady Gaga, sina Beyonce, Mariah. Pero syempre, priority muna yung Pinoy. Okay? Thanks, guys. And of course, I would like to thank my friends from The Voice. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for coming over. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And of course, ng The Tribe of Jet for being with me for the past 9 years. 9. Christmas party naman tayo. Sama kayo?
Pictures na tayo.
Sige. Dito ulit. Dito ulit. Alright, well, thank you very much. Before I go, I would like to thank everybody here tonight. Maraming salamat for being such an amazing crowd.
I love you, Jen!
Well, I really hope to see you again soon. Again, please do come and watch my very special concert on the 21st
Yes!
sa Music Museum. Kung gusto niyo ng tickets, ayan o, tayo. Yung assistant ko, sabi ko tayo eh. Ano tayo na?
Tayo na yan!
Dahil naka-black, yun. Yung mga tickets. Again, it's called All Requests 3 at the Music Museum, November 21. Alright? So, I'd like to leave you with one more. Depende sa inyo yan. So, this next song that I'm gonna do is a very memorable song for me, a very meaningful song sa akin, sa lahat ng mga na-perform kanina. Isa sa mga pinaka-special naming theme song, kumbaga. So you'll know how we feel and what we mean, what I mean. Ito po yung kantang to, para po sa inyo lahat at para sa lahat ng mga nangangarap. There we go.